this is deliciousVB with another tutorial. This tutorial will be on creating an advanced web browser, and this web browser will have tabs. So click on New Project, and I'm going to name my project Browser Tut, and wait for it to load. And this browser has some features that other browsers have, like when you click on the combo box or the text box with the URL, it highlights everything. That will be one feature. And also, unlike other tutorials you might see, everything in here is fit perfectly, and everything, doesn't matter how big the form is, how small the form is, everything fits and looks beautiful. So first, what you want to do is you want to create a tool strip. Tool strips are crucial for web browsers, I think, because it is the base of a web browser. If you look at something like Google Chrome, so let's first add a tool strip. If you look at something like Google Chrome, you'll see that it actually kind of has a little tool strip in it. This is a little tool strip, that's a way you can look at it. And how, you ask? Well, just add a few buttons and you'll see. Add 4 buttons, and then add a combo box. And resize this combo box by changing the size down here. And you want to make this 121 to something like 1,000. Oh, 10,000. Whoops, that's a little too much. 1,000 now. Let's say like 900. It still doesn't fit, huh? It's mean. 500. Let's say that. Why is it still like? Okay, there we go. Now it should be. Let's take it up a notch. Keep taking it up a notch. It's getting higher and higher. Sexy and higher. Okay, let's make it up. Wow, look at that. I put in 1,000 and it can go up to literally 999. Almost. 990. Let's just leave it at that. And this is our beautiful web browser. Let's make the text http://www.google.com. Also, let's change this form 1 text to browser. And let's add in tab control. At the rate I'm going, as planned, this making a web browser will be 2 parts. This is basically a little series I'm having, and this will basically be 2 parts. Now, getting back to the actual tutorial, make this fill, okay? Make the tab control fill. Remove all of the tabs, okay? All the tabs. And I'm going to change the font. You don't have to. Let's make it 10 points. And let's say it's these buttons, these 4 buttons. Let's upload a little image I got a lot of images on here. Back.png. There we go, that's one. And then forward. I got like a billion images here. Forward.png. And yeah, I'm matching, so that looks good. Refresh. Reload.jpg. Reload icon, and stop.png. Nice little stop icon I have. Now let's program these icons. So wait for the code page, the little code page to load. And then you want to, actually, you know what, we can't do that yet. But let's just go to form load, and you want to say dim WB as new web browser. WB dot navigate, and it wants to navigate to HTTP, whatever. It wants to navigate to Google, because that's basically its homepage. And next, you up here you want to say int, dim int as integer equals 1. Let me check how much time I have. Okay, I have 6 minutes. Let's do this next step here, which is you want to say tab control1 dot tab pages dot add, and the text of it will be you want to add wb.document title, which is basically Google, but it doesn't matter anyway. Tab control1 dot select tab, so this selects the new tab int, and tab control1 dot selected tab dot controls dot add, and you want to add WB, and then finally you want to say int equals int plus 1. So now we have this whole code. Copy this, and in the new tab, which is a button we're about to create. So let's create a new button and drag it over here and resize this form a little bit. Okay, let's call this the new tab icon. Really? Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, let's make that, yeah. Okay, so you want to select an image, and this image will be, let's search up an image of let's search up an image of, what was it? Oh my gosh. Okay, new tab.png, whatever. Oh wow. Okay, let's find a better one. New tab to PNG. Okay, that's better. And then let's add on yet another button. And this is the close tab. Okay, now we must code these, and new tab basically has this code, but the close tab is a little different. If tab control1 dot tab count equals 1, then me dot close, else tab control1 dot tab pages dot remove at. You want to remove at tab control1 dot selected index. Let me check how much time I have. It's over a while, a few minutes. Now that we have all these buttons coded, we can code the back and forward and all of that stuff. So let's go to back, And this is the code you'll need. Instead of web browser one, you're going to use this code. C-type rich text box, tab control 1 dot selected tab dot controls dot item 0 web browser dot go back. And this is the same exact thing as this, except it's go forward. Refresh. It's the same exact thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god, I hate this mouse. Refresh. And then go to stop, paste, and let me just use the backspace. A little wiser this time. Now, you want to click on combo box, tool strip combo box 1, and go to events, and you want, instead of click, now you want key down of it. And you want to say tool strip, let's do this. How could we, let's just search this. Let's do this. C-type tab control 1 dot selected tab dot controls dot item 0 web browser dot, okay, web browser, and you want to navigate the web browser to combo box 1 dot tool strip combo box 1 dot text. Now let's put a little catch to that, because that was kind of stupid what I did. If e.keycode, oh my god, if e.keycode equals keys dot enter. So if you press enter, then let me attempt to select this with my horrible mouse of mine. So if you hit enter, it goes there. Else, if it's a different key, it does basically nothing. Actually, if it's a different key, let's do this. C-type tab control 1 dot selected tab dot controls dot item 0 web browser dot navigate. Okay, and let's find that little thing. There are no results. Well, there are actually results. Well, there are a lot of results. 210,000. Wow. Okay. Highlight everything. I found a PSY in there. Highlight everything all the way until Q. Wait, no. Are you kidding me? Where is my... Oh, yeah. Q equals here. And just copy all that. Go back to my browser tutorial thingy. And paste that. And combo box 1 dot text. Tool strip combo box 1 dot text. Now, let me zoom in a bit. If you can't see the codes, here are them, all of them. Okay. Now that you have a little instant search kind of thing, some cool features, you want to do this. Click if combo box tool strip combo box 1 dot focused, catching a sore throat, god, dot focused equals true, then, so if it's focused already, then basically do nothing. Else, if it's not focused already, tool strip combo box 1 dot select all, and it selects everything in the combo box. Now, let's add in just for the sake of adding it in, let's add in a